for the intro, we're going to start with a B major chord. That's a first finger bar at the 7th fret, third finger 9th fret at the A, pinky finger 9th fret at the D, second finger on the 8th fret of the G string. Single strum, 1, 2, 3. On the 4th beat, we will release the pressure on the left hand, but kind of still rest the fingers on the strings and strum down for that muted sound. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to move to a D sharp 7 chord, D sharp dominant chord, and we have first finger bar on the 6th fret, and then we've got third finger 8th fret of the D and pinky finger 8th fret of the B. Single strum, 1, 2, 3, another muted strum. We're then going to move to an E major 7 chord, first finger 7th fret of the A, 9th fret with the third finger on the D string. We've got second finger on the 8th fret of the G, pinky finger on the 9th fret of the B. Same again, 1, 2, 3, mute. We then go back to the D sharp chord, but this time a minor chord version. So we have 6th fret with the first finger bar, 8th fret on the D with the third, and then pinky finger 8th fret of the G string and the second finger on the 7th fret of the B. Again, 1, 2, 3, mute. Back to that E major 7 chord, same again, 1, 2, 3, mute. D sharp minor again, 1, 2, 3, mute. And we're going to move down 2 frets to a C sharp minor chord, exactly the same chord voicing, but 4, 6, 6, 5, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and this time we're going to do 4 and down up mutes, but we're also going to hear the 6th fret here on the D string. So what we're kind of doing is resting the first finger on the guitar string, so we're not hearing anything, but still applying the pressure here on the 6th fret of the D, and this is going to slide us up into our next chord. So that kind of C sharp minor chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to this next chord, which is an F sharp dominant chord, exactly the same voicing we used for the D sharp dominant 7 chord earlier, but up here on 9, 11, 9, 11, and 9, 1, and then we're going to move down 2 frets to an E7, same chord voicing, back to our D sharp minor chord, single strum, down to the C sharp minor chord, and then we're going to slide that up to the D sharp minor chord and a little mute, and that'll take us through the entire intro. So we have B, D sharp 7, E major 7, D sharp minor, E major 7, D sharp minor, C sharp minor 7, or C sharp minor, sorry. Then up F sharp 7, E7, D sharp minor, C sharp, and up to that D sharp minor 7, D sharp minor, sorry. Very last time through, we actually go to a G sharp minor chord instead of going back to the B chord. So it goes with that little run again, da, 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 and then straight up here, 11, 13, 13, 12, 11. And we have the same strumming pattern, 1, 2, 3, mute, D sharp minor. Repeat this 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G sharp minor, D sharp minor. And the ending is slightly different. It's C sharp minor, 1, 2, mute, down, down, mute on the up strum, D sharp minor up 2 frets, down, down, mute. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and into that E7 chord again, 1, 2, and we're going to slide it up and hit the chord. So 1, 2, and then we single strum of the F sharp 7 chord before we go into the kind of breakdown in the song. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll leave that to ring. And the whole kind of end of the intro, 1, 2, 3, mute, D sharp minor, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, G sharp minor, D sharp minor, C sharp, D sharp, D7, F sharp. And then we're into a heavier section of the song, kind of like a link or a bridge section. It starts off with a B minor chord, which is the same shape we have been using previously. First finger bar on the 2nd fret, 4 on the D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B, single strum, and then release the pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. G, F. And this is the standard G shape, the same as the first chord in the song, that B, but down here at the 3rd fret. And then moving down 1 fret to an F sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Into the B minor again, single strum, release the pressure, and then 2 and 3 and 4 and with mutes. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. No, and of 3, G, F sharp, and then back to that B minor. So we've got B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, G, B minor. Then we're going to go back to B minor again, this time with a pulsing effect. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll play the chord, release the pressure 4 times. And then we're going to play in the second bar, B minor again. 1 and 2 and 3, G, F, and then B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And stop on the 4th beat there. So we've got B minor with the pulsing effect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then strum 1 and 2 and 3. And G, F sharp. Then to B minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We then go to the main riff in the song. It sounds like this. And we play it 4 times before we have a slightly different ending. It's 3 on the low E string twice, 2 on the low E string 3 times, 2nd fret on the A string twice, and then on the D string open 2, 4. So 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, open 2, 4. So it's 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, open 2, 4. Very last time it goes 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and this time 4, 2, open. So kind of just backwards on that very last line. For the verse, we have kind of muting thing, 1 and then GG, mute, mute, F sharp, mute, mute, B minor, mute, mute, B minor. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Just a little bit quicker. For the chorus in the song, we're going to play E minor, 7, 9, 9, 8, 7. We're going to strum down, down, up, and slide this up to the F sharp minor, up 2 frets. We're also going to strum that as we hit it. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, down, up, down. So it'd be E minor, 1, 2, and strum, up, down, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Mute, strum on the end. To the B minor, kind of 5 strums in a really odd rhythm, down, up, down, up, down, and then a mute. So slowly E minor, down, down, up, slide, up, down, mute, down, up, down, up, down, mute. To end the kind of chorus, we go to a single strum of an A bar chord here at the 5th fret, 7 on the A, 7 on D, and then 6 on the G. Single strum, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 3 frets to an F sharp, same shape, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the outro, we do something very similar to the intro. We have the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, no muting on that chord. Then the D sharp 7, 1, 2, 3, as normal. E major 7, 2, 3, mute. D sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, mute. E major 7, 1, 2, 3, mute. D sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, mute. and then a different ending here. C sharp minor, down, down, mute, D sharp minor, down, down, mute. Then that kind of E sliding up to F sharp, 1, 2, and 3. And then to end the song, we stay in this shape here with the F sharp bar chord. We're just going to add the second finger to the 10th fret of the high E string, 1 and 2 and 3. Take it off, strum for that 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then to the B chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, leave to ring. So the whole outro, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, D sharp 7, 2, 3, mute E sharp, sorry, E major 7, D sharp minor, E major 7, D sharp minor, C sharp minor, D sharp minor, E, F sharp 7, then a little added finger, take it off, B.